Hello world, Shelly here, and today we are going to talk about hair. My hair. You guys have been asking what I've been doing to my hair as I've been growing it out. I agree it has been more cooperative lately. I have no secrets or magic cures, but I'm going to tell you what I've been doing and what I think has been working for me lately. First up, let's talk vitamins. If you've been following me for a minute, you know that I have been taking the Halo Beauty pink vitamins, the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, since they launched, and that was first week of March 2018. So about 2 years now I've been taking those, and I have had very good luck. I notice it the most especially in my brows and my lashes in terms of the thickness and the volume and the number of hairs that are grown in. I think it has helped my hair on my head as well. I don't think you necessarily have to take expensive vitamins or specifically Halo vitamins. In fact, back in December, I bought a new Jeep. It has a higher payment than my old Jeep, but it is the Jeep of my dreams. And in looking for ways to cut back, I had canceled my beauty subscriptions, and I decided to do an experiment and canceled my Halo Beauty subscription vitamins and switched to just a biotin-based hair, skin, and nails. I did a bunch of reading online looking for the best options. This one was very highly reviewed. I will link it down below. I've been taking this instead of the Halo vitamins basically every day since the beginning of January. So we are approximately 3 months in to taking this instead of Halo. I took Halo for 2 years, 2 months shy of 2 years, and then switched to this. So far I think it's maintaining everything okay. I don't know if you would need the base of Halo before switching to just biotin. I've had a lot of people say just take a good biotin supplement and you're fine. The reason that I had hesitated to switch and that I was okay spending the money on the Halo, and I would actually find a way to continue spending the money if I find that this doesn't work for me, is that I had tried for years prior to Halo's launch to find a biotin vitamin that worked for me, and none of them did anything for me. So we will see if that becomes a thing, if I go back to Halo or not. I am saving some money here, which is nice in the short term. The rest of what I've been doing is product. I can't say that I'm married to any shampoo conditioner. I flip-flop. Literally every time I wash my hair, I wash it with something different. I have like 3 different things in my shower right now. I've got the Briogeo, the banana one, the shampoo and conditioner banana. It smells so good. Makes my hair very soft. It's wonderful. I've got my old standby is let me go get it. This is in my empties right now. It's the Redken Color Extend shampoo and conditioner. That's kind of like what I keep in my shower, and I always go back to if I've tried something that my hair doesn't like, because I know my hair likes that. So I have a giant liter bottle of it in my shower now. I've got a Nexus, something Humectress, I don't remember. I just try different things. I am also trying the new Elvive line from L'Oreal. So I've got the shampoo and conditioner in my shower. I'm liking them. But let me just say that because I flip-flop around my shampoos and conditioners, I don't think they are the reason why my hair looks nice. So that's just, I'm just not consistent with them. I like to mix it up, and I haven't found a holy grail yet. But I have been trying this Elvive line. The packaging and the display at CVS caught my eye a few months back, and the other thing that was with the shampoo and conditioner, I think it's called Great Lengths shampoo and conditioner, was this Wonder Water. And I was like, Wonder Water? That sounds wonderful. I'm a sucker for advertising. And so I got this. It's a hair transforming, I don't know what that word is, lamellier, I'm sure it's pronounced something fancy like that. It's a rinse out. It gives you wonderful, silkier, shinier hair, no silicone, no weigh down. It's a strange product, y'all. It's like water. You know, you pour it into your hand, you rub your hands together, it gets warm, and then you just run it through your hair while it's damp in the shower, and you rinse it out. You do it in between your shampoo and your conditioner step, and I don't know, but this stuff makes your hair really nice. The thing I like, and I haven't used it for a couple weeks because I've had it in my filming room waiting to do this hair video, so that kind of bummed me out. Like, I didn't use it today, and I can tell. So, let me see if I can find you, like, the hair. Do you see how, like, I don't know what to describe it as. It's just not as silky as it can be. Maybe it's a little bit frizzy. Maybe it's just a little bit frizzy. This stuff takes that away, and it just makes everything silky. Like, my hair has much better... You see how it doesn't, like, you can't do that, like, TV commercial where you drop your hair and it goes... Yeah, that is because I didn't use this stuff today. That's what this stuff does. And I don't know if it's good for my hair or bad for my hair. So I haven't done the same kind of studying about hair as I have with skincare. I don't know what ingredients are good for my hair. I don't know what's bad for my hair. I don't know. This could all be like the worst possible stuff to put on your head. But so all of this is just purely my aesthetic experience, how it looks, how it feels to me. I don't know about ingredients. I really can't geek out on any of that with you guys because I just haven't studied hair yet. Someday I will, I'm sure. But I'm really, really enjoying this. I was looking at the ingredients trying to figure out, like, what's the magic? I don't know, because I just don't know ingredients. But I'm thoroughly enjoying this one. So that's been a recent past 3 months-ish thing that's been in my hair, if you've been watching me in the past 3 months. Another one I've been using... This is one that I had picked up in Ireland, but I'm pretty sure you can get it here too. I've looked it up. I saw it on Target's website. It is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Smooth Treatment. I like deep treatments, so I've been using this one, and I've been using one that the artist formerly known as the Taylor Wynn has used and recommended on her channel, the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. You kind of use these in place of conditioner just every so often. This one I think makes my hair super, super, like, soft feeling. This one takes the frizz out and makes it super, super, like, hydrated feeling and smooth feeling. And both of them I thoroughly enjoy. I used this one today. My hair feels lovely. But I don't know if... Yeah, I don't know why they work or what's so magic about them. This one is Australian ryeberry and some other thing I can't pronounce since it's for frizzy, please behave hair. Because even when I blow dry my hair straight, it still looks frizzy if I'm not treating it with some kinds of products. So that is those two things. Another thing I've been enjoying, but I don't think it really has anything to do with my hair. It's from Real Mary. It's the Cold Brew Rosemary Purifying Scalp Scaler. That sounds gross. But in the winter, I have really dry skin. And so I get a flaky scalp. And it's not dandruff. I've tried all my childhood. I thought I had dandruff because I thought all flakes had to be dandruff. And I would use all the dandruff shampoos and none of them helped. No, it's because my skin is flaking off like it does all over the rest of my body. And this really has helped to minimize that. You know, it's just a sort of it feels like a sugar scrub kind of a thing. And you scrub it into your scalp and you rinse it out and it's lovely. I don't think that's really affecting my hair, but I'm enjoying it. Another thing you guys know I love when I don't blow dry my hair, I've been talking about this for some time now. This is one of those holy grail products that came out of nowhere, and it's another Aussie product. It's called Miracle Curls. It's the cream pudding, but it is a dream to me. And this is what I use when I let my hair air dry. Here's what I love about it. It doesn't get crunchy like a mousse. Your hair stays completely soft, but it holds the curl even a few days later when I decide to brush my hair. Normally, if I don't have this, and literally no other product has helped me with this except for this one, if I brush my hair a couple days later, because I only wash my hair every 5 or 6 days, if I brush it, the top layer goes straight on me. And this is enough to maintain the curl even after I have stopped brushing it. So it will stay wavy and everything will still look cohesive instead of me having like straight as a board top layer and curly underneath. So this has saved me in terms of making me want to leave my hair curly and air dry it more often, which is nice. It's a nice option. It gives my hair a break from heat treatment, heat styling, and I love this stuff. The last thing, I didn't bring it with me, but I had been watching a video on Dr. Dre's channel. She was talking about how she has changed her hair routine in growing her hair out, and her hair has grown a lot very quickly. And one thing she mentioned was wearing a sleeping mask on your hair. She had a couple that she had recommended. I had ordered those. My rationale for wearing a bonnet or a satin cap when I sleep was not so much treatment for my hair, but my hair has finally gotten to the length where it gets caught under my shoulders when I'm sleeping, and I wake up and I try to move and my head is stuck and it wakes me up instead, and then I don't sleep through the night and it's really annoying. So I thought wearing a sleeping cap might help keep my hair in one place so that I'm not getting it stuck underneath me, so I'm not tugging on it when I'm trying to move around when I'm sleeping. So, and it has worked wonderfully. I sleep right through the night. Hair is not an issue anymore. I will link down below the one that I found that I like. The ones that Dr. Dre had recommended were way too tight on my head. I would wake up with that giant elastic mark on my forehead, and I just can't stand that. Like, that feeling is just no good. So I found a looser fitting one that I can just put right up along my hairline. It stays in place. It doesn't fall off at night. I just take my hair, pretend I'm going to put it into a ponytail, and then just kind of make a little bun in the back of my head, and then I put the sleeping cap on, and my hair sits, down here. And that's it. And the nice thing is that when I wake up in the morning, there's no tangles. My hair doesn't get all ratty and tangled and frizzy. So I do think it does help with anti-frizz, anti-tangle. It keeps things smoother, and that was an unexpected benefit, but it's definitely helping me sleep, which was the whole reason I was looking into it in the first place. But that is pretty much all I've been doing with my hair. My stylist is going to kill me for saying this, but honestly, my hair transformed the day I went back to coloring it with box dye. I'm sorry, I love my stylist, but literally overnight, when I dyed my hair, the first box dye I bought, if you follow me on Instagram, I kind of do my daily life in my Insta stories, and one day I just wanted to dye my hair, and I bought a box. I think I bought Nice and Easy. I don't even know what I bought, and used it, and literally the next day, my hair was beautiful, and just cooperative is what it was. So after that box dye, I have now gone through 2 boxes I'm dyeing my hair with a Madison Reed hair dye. I saw that Ulta carries it now. I decided to try it. I had an opportunity a couple years ago. They had reached out for PR, but I had never heard of them, and so I didn't respond. Yeah, sorry, but I love your product, and I'm buying it myself. But I'm using box dye again. I don't know why. Like, I know every stylist in the world says it's not worth it, you're ruining your hair, box dye is terrible. And I have to, in my heart of hearts, believe that it's got to be kind of similar to skincare in the sense that, yeah, there are some drugstore things that are terrible, and there are some that are really good. Like, I feel like there's probably some middle ground there where some are better than others, some are less damaging than others. I've been dyeing my hair with box dye for literally 30 years, and I think my hair just likes it better. So I'm sorry to my stylist, but it was also another way I'm thinking, well, I could save a whole bunch of money if I dye my hair with box dye instead of at the salon. And now that we're all homebound for a while, I won't be going to the salon. I just dyed my hair like less than a week ago. So picked up a Madison Reed box before we went on lockdown. So I don't know if that's part of my secret or not, but it worked for me. There you have it. That is all the oh, I forgot one. It's sitting right in front of me and it's so pretty. I love this stuff. This I had tried many moons ago. Oh, it's all dirty. It does pick up fingerprints. Many moons ago, I tried this through Octoly PR, and I'm almost out of it. I'm going to repurchase it for sure. It's the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. I'm not wearing it today because my bin was in here instead of in my bathroom, but highly recommend this stuff. I think it just makes your hair look freaking pretty and shiny and beautiful. Yeah, now there you have it. That's what I've been doing with my hair. That's it. I don't think I can even point to any one thing that is the magic trick. I would say if I had to pick the two things that made the most difference, I would say it's box dye and vitamins. Your mileage may vary. If you enjoy these kinds of talk-through videos going through my routines, give me a thumbs up down below. Let me know in the comments what routines you want to see next. You want to see updated AM, PM skincare, morning, or what do you want to see? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over hair with me. I appreciate your time. Come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern time for new videos. I hope you all stay healthy, stay well, stay home, and take care of each other. Bye-bye.